Stop me if you've heard this. The best camera smartphone of 2025 is the iPhone 17 Pro Max or the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, right? I mean, that's probably what you'd expect most tech reviewers to say in the first 30 seconds of their video, but that's wrong. The truth is, there's no single best smartphone camera, at least not this year. That's a myth sold to you by great marketing teams or a lot of lazy reviews. But once the dust actually settles and I actually use these cameras longer than 10 days for the review period, the answers become a lot clearer than you'd think. So I've got 5 of the best camera smartphones in 2025, and I'm going to be putting them up in 5 different categories to pick the best for each. And at the end of this, obviously, I'm going to let you know which of these 5 is actually my personal favorite. Starting off with the big boy category, the best telephoto camera and those zoom subjects, especially when you're out and about, concerts, whatever it is, to give you the best optical quality when zooming in. And the winner for this, I think is pretty obvious, is going to be the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. This has to be one of the most technologically advanced telephoto camera systems we've ever seen on a smartphone, like ever. The Pura 80 Ultra was the first to ever introduce the groundbreaking dual telephoto camera system that uses a single massive sensor, one of the largest ever in zoom lenses, with 2 separate periscope lens setups. This offers true optical focal lengths for telephoto, around 3.7 optical, and then again a 9.4 optical zoom. The results are clear as day, leading details in zoom and long range settings, making this the king of telephoto without having to rely either on digital cropping and zoom or AI enhancements. So telephoto, that's the one. Next up, and a very important category, portrait mode performance. Which of these phones is capable of doing the best when it comes to portraits, all for skin tones, separation, colors, and just understanding what makes a good portrait photo without crazy enhancements. And all of these honestly are absolutely incredible at portraits, but there can only be one clear winner. In this case, it's actually going to be the OPPO Find X9 Pro. And I think this has proved itself to be one of the best camera phones when it comes to portraits this year, if not at all, because this is one of the best in terms of color science, edge separation, skin tones, textures on skin, the glow effects, and everything you can get out of the camera straight out of camera without any sort of editing. And I think this is one of the best we've ever seen, absolutely, from any camera manufacturer, which is why for portraits, if you're going out and about and you do a lot of those kind of like photo shoots and stuff like that, this will give you the best possible results. The next category is the best smartphone that gives you that camera experience. I'm talking attachments, filters, lenses, and holding on to it with a proper grip. And I think this answer is going to be pretty obvious to most of our subscribers. This has to be the Vivo X300 Pro. And this camera really proved itself to be a next level camera phone once it was released. Honestly, straight out of camera performance, absolutely incredible. But once you put on that photography kit powered by Zeiss, the performance is absolutely next level. Already the zoom performance is great, already the processing is great, but when you add on that case, the photography grip, the telephoto converter that gets you some of the best magnification we've ever seen on a smartphone, this truly transforms itself into a proper camera more so than a camera phone. And again, you're getting incredible performance with a telephoto all the way across the different modes on here, and no just specific dedicated mode to shoot on. Amazing results. If you guys want to see that full review, definitely check it out for all of these phones, but this one had a full dedicated video on it, and I think it deserves that. The next category is actually very interesting because there's a lot of people who aren't great at taking photos, but want incredible photos straight out of camera. For that, we have a category of best authentic straight out of camera photos. And for that, the winner has to be the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Because honestly, this phone, even if you don't know how to take a photo and you've never taken one before in your life, as soon as you open up that camera app, Leica Authentic at the top, snap a photo, you're getting the most atmospheric, the most vibey, Leica-like photos I've ever seen, and you need zero experience to take incredible photos with this phone. I've personally seen people go to attend events and take their product photos and cover their event using just this phone, even over professional cameras, because of how simple it is to get an incredible photo straight out of camera without thinking too much. And Xiaomi has nailed it with their partnership with Leica for both colors, processing, and just overall understanding what a camera UI should look like. The last and final category, which I think everyone will know the answer to, is the best video camera phone of 2025, and that has to be the iPhone 17 Pro Max. No brainer, the most advanced camera system when it comes to video ever made on a smartphone. We're getting 4K 10-bit Pro RAW video out of this with open gaze support, even before Sony cameras have that. Absolutely incredible, being able to utilize your entire sensor to record raw video and then process and color grade that in post for the best possible cinema-like results. We're talking the go-to smartphone for recording video content. In fact, when we're shooting these videos most of the times, the behind-the-scenes footage, the vertical social footage, even some stitching content to mix with our Sony cameras are actually shot on the iPhone 17 Pro Max because you have that flexibility of raw video. You have that flexibility of going from 0.5x all the way up to 8x optically or optical level, and it does an incredible job with that. Even introducing new features like dual camera where you can shoot front and back at the same time. It's just really, really made for creators and film creators, cinema creators, content creators who do a lot of video, and again, hands down, iPhone has to be the best at that. Now, even though each of these won for their specific category, it doesn't mean the other phones aren't great at that. And of course, this is my personal opinion on it, but they excel at those categories, which is why we're splitting it up this way, because each of these are incredible. If you just pick one, you'll be very happy with it. There's no issue with it, but it's just they excel at certain things. So for example, if you're going for a lot of concerts, you do want to go for that telephoto range, then it would make more sense for you to get the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra or the vivo X300 Pro. That would be more suited for you. But if you do a lot of video, then it's easier to lean towards the iPhone or even the OPPO Find X9 because they both support log video and they do it the same, almost the same way. So it's a very structural approach to what is more suited for you. It's more catered to you. But with all that niceness and diplomacy out of the way, I promise you guys I'll be telling you which is my personal favorite camera smartphone of 2025. For me, it was a very close tie between two phones. And those are the OPPO Find X9 Pro and the vivo X300 Pro. These two are, in my opinion, the best camera smartphones I've ever seen in my life. And it was very difficult for me to pick between these two. But I have to pick one, and based on my style of shooting and how I really perceive smartphone photography and what I use it for, the clear winner for me has to be the vivo X300 Pro. I think this phone is an absolute camera beast, a monster for every type of photography and videography I threw at it, all the way from ultra wide to telephoto without any attachments as well. The best possible camera smartphone for my type of photography, especially when it comes to things like macro as well. I had such an incredible time shooting with it. The most reliable for concerts, for pretty much everything I tried. The OPPO Find X9 Pro is a very close second, but the vivo X300 Pro is going to be taking the crown this year. Do you guys agree with my list? If you don't, that's perfectly fine. Let me know down in the comments which ones you would have picked. I would love to read those. Really hope you enjoyed all the kind of camera videos we did this year. If you want to see more of those next year, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll definitely see you in the next year with more camera content. Hope you guys have a happy holiday and happy new year, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Until then, take care.